Good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Deepak, and today I have completed the 8th day of my corona duty. More than half of the time it is passed away, and now only the 6 days are remaining. Today, the two new colleagues have joined us, and Dr. Satish and Dr. Dinesh. Their quarantine period is started today, and they will be quarantined for the next 7 days. And today I have taken round in the ICU ward. On the first day I have taken round in the ICU ward, and now on the 8th day I am in the ICU ward. Many patients are admitted in the ICU ward, and many patients are on the ventilation. It is a very critical thing when the symptoms are increasing, and when the patient is going into the next stage of the corona, then the breathlessness, it is the main symptom, and patient cannot breathe himself. Most of the patient are complaining that there is something in their throat area which is obstructing for the breathing, and this cough, it is a very dangerous thing, and they cannot breathe themselves, so they are needed the ventilation, and so many patients are on the ventilation, and it is a very critical thing. Actually, we cannot help this type of the patient, because they cannot take the Ayurvedic medicine, because most of the Ayurvedic medicines are in the tablet form, and it is very difficult for them to take these medicines. So we are giving the treatment to only this type of patient who have the mild symptomatic patient, means they have the which are the stable patient actually, and they can who can take our medicine. So this type of the patient, these selected patients are given the Ayurvedic treatment in these ICU wards. And there is one also isolation ward, it is available in this ICU ward, and there is a more stable patient are there, but whose SpO2 it is down. So this type of the patient who have a need of the oxygen supply and all, this type of the patients are transferred to these ICU wards. So we are also giving treatment in these ICU wards for this type of the patients. So it is a good thing, but these ICU wards are actually congested. Actually, they are not congested, but many doctors are available in these ICU wards, and it is actually also needed, because these patients are critical, and for that more doctors are available there. It is a good thing. But alternative rounds, it is continuous round, it is taken by the allopathic doctors and the homeopathic doctors and the Ayurvedic doctors and all that. So it is actually good thing also, but it is difficult for the patient to answer each and every doctor. So this type of the difficulty I am feeling on this first day of this my round, but I think it will be handled. And then I want to just tell you that you must have to precaution very well, because in the second stage, when the corona is enter into the second stage, it is very difficult for a person, and we have the comorbidity, means like they have the hypertension or the diabetes or the asthma or the cardiac disease. So these types of the patients are more vulnerable for this second stage. So we must have to precaution for that, and we must have to precaution to our elders, our fathers, mothers, and our grandfathers and grandmothers, all that who are actually have the this type of the comorbidity, and they are more vulnerable for this type of the stage. So this is all about the patients. We are taking our medicine regularly, and we are actually going into now the more critical patient, with the more critical patients. So we are going in the more dangerous area, so it is also very much risky for us. So we are taking the more precautions for that, and regular medicines and all that. But I think the PPE kit and the N95 mask, they will be survive to us. But let me see. But I am happy that I am going in ICU ward and helping those patients who are actually critical. So it is a good thing, I think. So these all things is going on, and this is like a routine. But the two new colleagues have joined us, so we have taken a short training for them. Not the training, they are trained already, but we have how the scenario is here. We have to train them for that. So we have taken a short training after completing the round and all that. And today is a rainy day here, and today in our in our dinner there is a rasgulla, and I like the rasgulla, but in this rainy season it is, and it is very difficult actually. So I don't eat rasgulla on the first time, but because it is it is dubbed in the chashni, and it is formed by the sugar, so it will create the throat infection or that. So so I have not eaten that rasgulla, but and they are providing us a good food, and here is the lodging and boarding. This is a in this Gayatri hostel there is a good arrangement. So it is a you can if you want to join the duty, so it is a good area to stay in the Gayatri hostel. It is a good area, and the lodging is also very good. So hope so you all will propose very well. You all will take care of yourself, and it is the most important thing. Hope so we will be free here with the maintained health and all that. So okay, goodbye. Thank you very much.